you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and in today's video we're going to be working with Kriyya hair. I hope I'm saying this right. We're going to be working with Kriyya hair. I was sent over a 24-inch T-part lace wig. Now y'all, I already had a style in mind I was about to body with this wig. I literally did the same hair color before this video, so I was like, oh, this style I'm about to do with this 24-inch is about to be crazy. Until I opened up the box and I saw it was a T-part lace wig, and I was like, yeah, it's a dub for that style. But I'm gonna save that style for another time. I'm not gonna say what style it is. It's not honestly nothing special, but I'm just not gonna say it. But yeah, so honestly, I was kind of bummed out that this hair was a T-part lace wig, because one, you guys know I can't stand T-part lace wig. I can't. But this T-part lace wig was a little different because it actually had more spacing when it comes to plucking. Like, it wasn't so close to the hairline, so I was able to pluck and have it look natural in a way. The other ones I literally had no space to pluck anything. That's why the hairline was looking a little wiggy. But this T-part lace wig gave me, like, you could say like 2 inches of space that I can, that's not even 2 inches, probably 1.5 inches, that I can pluck. Another thing is, y'all, this hair is mad soft. Like, me straightening it straightened so good. For this to be body wave hair, literally all I had to do was one pass and the hair was straight. But of course I just kept going in for passes because I wanted to bone straight. But nah, yeah, I love this hair. I told y'all it's always gonna be a bust down middle part for me. I love a bust down middle part. That's my go-to style. But I definitely recommend this hair. I barely had any type of shedding. But other than that, y'all, this hair is fire. I love how nice it is. I love how soft it is and silky. But like I said, I would highly recommend this hair. If you guys are interested on this hair, everything will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.